What's up, Filipinas? I am Joey, inviting you to please watch Single Single on August 29 sa Cinema One po yan, every Saturday, 8 p.m.
Man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan saan, kahit na sino pang iyong angkan. What's up, Pilipinas?
What's up, Pilipinas? I'm po si Mateo Gonzalez. Please catch Single Single August 29 on Cinema One, 8 p.m. That's every Saturday. Thank you po.
Ibigay ang inyong gusto. What's up, Pilipinas? Ang show na ito'y para lang sa inyo. What's up, Pilipinas?
Si Direk Pe, satisfied ka ba? Bakit dito ka sa cable TV lang mapapanood yung work mo? Hindi ka ba nagkaroon ng reklamo ron?
Hindi, ang ganda nga.
Dahil limitado yung, siyempre, let's say it, limitado yung audience ito.
Mas hindi nga limitado kami in terms of yung kailangan gawin. So, nung una namin, pagkapasok pa lang namin sa project na to, sabi sa amin ni Ronald din ng Cinema One is, guys, pwede niyo bang dumihan? You can talk about sex, you can talk about relationships. Napaka-free namin dito sa cable TV. Pwede kami mag-Uber, pwede kami mag-English, pwede kami mag-Taglish, mag-talk about one-night stand. So in terms of yung content, yung freedom, creativity, mas hindi nga may limitado. Mas malawak kami dito.
Wala mang censorship. May censorship din.
Pero naman, hindi wala namang hubad-hubad, tsaka wala namang very bad words. Pero in terms of parang kailangan mo pang linisin yung tema, o hindi ganun. Parang no holds barred. Kasi yung mga issues namin, mga issues ng mga millennials, mga ka-generation talaga namin. So, pag pinag-uusapan namin ito, maganda na nga na walang no holds barred kami.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks, Tita June. Pasabog nga yung unang nagtanong. Yes, ma'am. Ay, si Jason. Ay, there.
Hi, this is actually for Lucian or Hannah, I don't know if you remember. I'm gonna ask a very boring question because it's not about entertainment, but it's more like I like the concept and it's marrying very timely issues and the millennials are really part of the psyche already. But my point is, what was your insight in because you said early on that financial security was really an advocacy of kids. But what's the insight there? As in, do they really need the push? Are they in debt? Are they, so I was wondering why particularly financial security. Thank you.
I think the growing concern about the millennials is their belief in the philosophy of the YOLO philosophy of you only live once. And somehow that the positive side of their values is hinged on their being emboldened. And that comes along also with their sense of entitlement. And given that kind of perspective, we somehow wanted to encourage them to have the value of planning for the future. And it's nice to balance that with the YOLO philosophy, because having that kind of spirit gives them the power to do things, but at the same time, whatever freedom that they're more entitled to do, it should come with responsibility. So that was our inspiration why we wanted to push for this advocacy. And I'm really proud to say that Cinema One has shared that vision with us when we made the pitch to them. And this is the first time also that for this advocacy, we're joined in by our partners, Metrobank, Sun Life, and Avidalan.
To add to that, kasi the characters actually represent the modern issues that single people face. Like Joey's, okay yung job niya, but she has this quarter-life crisis, yung the burnout that we all go through. Tapos si Mateo, yung rich kid, who's trying to be independent or dependent from her mom, Sherry Hill. And then Brian represents the BPO industry, yung biglang may sweldo, tapos nagigil mag-spend. Tapos Ana Luna is a successful advisor of an insurance company and breadwinner naman ng problem. So, kaya dun eksaktong pumasok yung wealth and financial management advocacy ng Philippine Star.
Okay.
Yeah, another boring question. Okay, kasi nabasa ko sa press release, parang si Francis Kong, siya ba yung parang pinaka-advisor niyo or consultant regarding sa sound the contents here sa show?
Yes, siya yung aming representative for pushing financial literacy. And actually sa show, you won't really see us or the show lecturing about financial literacy. It will direct you to the newspaper, which Francis Kong will extensively talk about.
So wala siyang cameo.
Pwede. Depende kay Ronald.
Alright, before we continue with our Q&A, we'd like to welcome Miss Ana Luna,
Fresh from the traffic of
Cinema One
Parañaque.
Originals Best Supporting Actress for Beto. So she's the financial advisor and breadwinner of her family in this in our mini series. Okay, the next question. Sino po?
Hello.
Ay, Alan.
Oo. Another boring question. Charot.
Nauso ang boring question.
Hindi, exciting yung sinabi ni Direk Pepe na parang walang limit, no? Parang they tackle everything like pati sex, ganyan. So, anong mangyayari? Bali, totoo naman nangyayari sa mga single people talaga na, di ba, nakikipag-sex and everything. So, paano? Meron bang eksena dito na magkakaroon kayo ng conflict ni Shaina dahil meron kang iuuwing girl or mga ganyan or kayo lang talaga yung magkakainlaban later on?
May eksena na I bring home another girl and parang kunwari hindi magselos si Joey pero nagsiselos. Pero totoo, there's really scenes like that. It really happens in real life, diba?
Correct.
So yeah, we have that, and it's really all our scenes. Kumbaga, people will really relate. People our age and this kinds of age bracket, they really relate to what's happening.
So what happened? Nag-sex kayo ng girl?
Secret.
Wow! Secret ka. Hindi, you share the same, hindi naman, may sarili-sarili kayong room.
Yeah, we have two different rooms.
Okay, so pwede.
Pero yun naman yung ni Joey, yun yung kanyang rule bilang babae. Huwag naman sana mag-uuwi ng babae or lalaki.
May ganung rule?
Yes, kailangan may house rules tayo.
Paano yung pangangailangan niya bilang guy?
Tapos, may isang beses umuwi ako, may lalaki naman sa kwarto.
Oo.
Pero naman, yung lalaki na yon, si Benny, my best friend na girl. Mas girl pa sa akin.
Yes. Yung role niya, girl. Yung role niya.
So ilang beses nag-uwi ng girl si Matt?
So far once.
Ikaw naman, as a single girl na liberated din ba si meron din ba siyang, does she hook up then with guys? Paano siya?
Actually, yun ang kailangan ninyong panoorin, ang journey ni Joey. Bakit hindi? Bakit siya may rules in life and in love? Meron kasi, lahat naman tayo, di ba? Meron tayong mga pinanggagalingan. May pinaguhugutan tayong lahat, yung mga past experiences natin. And yun yung kailangan ninyong panoorin kung ano yung pinanggagalingan ni Joey.
So far, hindi siya yung ganong tipo
She's
ng
very
girl.
reserved ngayon.
Wow.
Yes. Ngayon. Yun po, ngayon. Dati, bakit, paano, panoorin niyo na lang po.
Ikaw ba siya, Ina, may mga pinaghuhugutan ka pa from the past?
Madami.
Like?
Bukas naman ang buhay ko sa inyo. Alam
Oo
niyo
nga.
yan.
Ano yung mga
Marami tayong learnings in life.
Wow.
Diba?
Pero ang gandang magandang yung recent development na yung nakaraan mong boyfriend, you work with him na ngayon, 'di ba?
Yes. Kung ang mundo ay maliit, mas maliit po ang mundo ng showbiz.
Pero yung
Buti na lang okay kami.
Okay na kayo, Shaina. Wala namang mga awkwardness or ano man.
Work is work.
Wow.
Yun lang po.
Tutok na sa Wansa Pilipinas. Ibutin ang mundo, kainin ang gusto. Alamin ng tamang daan kung paano ang umaseso. Kasama ang buong tropa ng Wansa Pilipinas. Aming ibibigay sa madla at ipapadanas. Ang saya ng Wansa Pilipinas. Tutok na sa Wansa Pilipinas. Ang saya dito sa Pilipinas. Ihahatid sa inyo ng Wansa Pilipinas.